Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPhone, and let me show you how to copy and then share several pictures from your browser gallery. So at first, open the browser that you're using, then enter name of the item that you would like to find pictures of, then go to images, and now hold the first picture for a while. Now just slide it, so you've got this kind of moving picture, and now mark the rest of the pictures that you would like to copy. Now with the second hand, go back to your home screen, and here you've got still those 3 items, and go to messages or email, whatever you would like to send those pictures from, and then enter it to new message, just like this. So here you've got it, and you can smoothly send it by tapping on send. And this is it. As you can see, it's been sent. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.